Meaning of International Date Line.
International date line.
International Date Line.
International date line.
International date line. The International Date Line is an imaginary line located roughly along the 180th meridian in the Pacific Ocean, and serves as the boundary between one calendar day and the next. The date line runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, and for most of its length, it follows the 180-degree longitude line. When you cross the International Date Line while traveling eastward, you subtract a day from the current calendar date. When traveling westward across the date line, you add a day to the current date. The line allows the world to keep coordinated universal time, UTC, and helps avoid confusion when doing business or traveling across multiple time zones.